Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today guys, I'll be showing you how to go and apply for Halifax Bank Account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in halifax.co.uk. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and apply for Halifax Bank Account. So for this, I will be switching on the, of course, step by step here. So first of all, prepare documents and log in. Existing customers skip to in-app already, so just go and create your account. We have a separate video on our YouTube channel, so you can go and check that one also. Then you need to go and check your eligibility and compare. So your year UK residency history and monthly income, as you can see. Then fill in the applications, your full name, DOB, employment status, and monthly expenses. Then verify your identity. So your ID verification, passport can also be used, and of course selfie scan. Then agree to the the terms and conditions, review and confirm everything. And now I'll be going in for the last step, closing my camera. So approval and delivery. So 3 to 5 working days is for the PIN to arrive and 7 working days for the card. You can just go and wait them, and then when they come, you can of course go and use everything. And if you don't know how to activate your card, we also have a video on that on our YouTube channel, so you can check that one also. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you didn't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.